Mana det. Sekai tu mak me purke inge, pak inge ba mala.
Oh, gare le ba mala.
To ma pak Bingare te ngba zomi.
So if you've started watching before, you know that this is how they squeeze the leaf. Yes. And yeah, because I've started watching before, so I know how it is. Hello family, how you doing? Yeah, so right now we have our tubani. You see, so this is two different type of tubani, the green and the normal one. So the difference is the green one has the beans leaves attached to it, and this one is the normal beans, what do you call it, beans flour with some soda or bicarbonate. Okay, and this is served with pepper and some shea butter oil. So you can see the pepper and the shea butter oil over here. Okay. Wow.
So we are going to do Tubaani.
Okay.
And the Tubaani we have two different types. We have Bingare.
Bingare, okay.
Yes, and Gare itself.
Okay.
So with the Bingare, you add beans leaf.
Okay.
To
the Tubaani.
the beans flour.
Okay.
To make it the Bingare.
Okay.
But with the Gare, that one is only the beans.
Okay.
Alone.
Okay. So this is Bingare.
Bingare.
Okay. So you're pounding the beans.
I'm pounding the beans leaf.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So once she's pounding the beans leaf, the other family is also mixing the beans flour. Okay. Tubaani. So the one we did in the upper west region is different because they had cassava flour being mixed together, but today or to here there's no cassava flour. It's only beans leaves, beans flour and beans leaves. So that's Bingare.
Yes.
Bingare. Tubaani Bingare. Okay. So they're adding some water to it, to the beans flour. In the upper west region, she makes the soda water first before the water came. But here, they are mixing the beans flour with water. Then the soda water will come. Cover the soda, okay. Okay.
See this one, you have to beat it.
Okay, beat it well.
Beat it well until
You incorporate air.
Okay.
The air will act as the rice.
Okay.
Rising agent like baking powder.
Okay. So she's beating the beans flour so that all the air bubbles in it will come out.
yes.
Yeah. So you need to have the energy to beat it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And this is different from what I saw in the upper west region. Wow. Two northerners having a different food. Can you believe this? Okay, this is fry. That's sisala.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Bingare.
Okay. Okay.
Mana bukan nating mana ba ti ingna masik. Ko yam bulla.
Bingare.
Bingare.
So bean flour, then
Bean leaf.
powdered bean leaves. Yeah. So the same beans combination.
And cool pain. Go come and go add water. Wash. And pour it into it.
Okay.
Add the can wait.
Okay. So the soda has been added again.
Huh? Zoom me a color. That's one year. So I'm going to
Okay, so this is where the tubani will be kept, and if you know this leaf, you know what it's used for. It's normally used for kenke.
So we are now about to roll it in
the leaf.
The leaf.
Okay. So if you've said watch it before, you know that this is how they squeeze the leaf.
Yes.
And because I've sold watch it before, so I know how it is. Yeah. Okay.
You need see.
Okay.
No, you need see.
Yes, I. You go see no. Yes, I. I'm from Bingare. I'm going to go so. So the tubani was divided into two, and one the beans leaf was added, and this is not added. So she's adding the soda or the bicarbonate or the KEBAB in the local language to it. So some small amount of water has been added. So this is also tubani, but without the beans leaf. This is just the normal tubani. Okay, so we did the tubani with the green beans or the leaves, the beans leaf, and this is the normal tubani without the beans leaf.
They are sticks.
The one that you put under?
Yes.
Okay.
This one is for after you fan the millet, you know.
Okay.
There's the remaining sticks.
Okay.
So these are the when rainy season comes, we fan it.
Okay.
And when we pick the food, it always left with these ones.
Okay.
So normally we pick these ones, take it to our houses.
Okay.
In terms of
cooking,
yeah, we use it.
Okay.
So this one we are going to break it, put it under the pot to support with
the
tubani.
Okay.
So I'm adding water to the
pot.
I have wood. What?
So she's adding the tubani into the pot, the boiled pot. And if you've seen my previous video, the one I did in Upper West region is similar by different process. If you've not seen it, the link is on the description box, and you can watch that one too as well. Yeah. In 10 minutes. So tubani is one of the famous and popular food that is being eaten in the Upper East region, BOLGA. So everybody loves it. It's like that, just like fried rice in Accra. So she's covered the tubani with the plastic rubber so that it can boil well. After 15 minutes, the tubani, it's okay.
So I've been crying.
Okay. So it's ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay.
When you do it, it comes up.
Okay.
When you press, it will bounce back.
Okay.
That shows that it's cooked, well cooked. But if it is not well cooked, when you push it,
It goes inside.
It will not come out again. So it's ready.
Hello family, how you doing? Yeah, so right now we have our tubani. You see, so this is two different type of tubani, the green and the normal one. So the difference is the green one has the beans leaves attached to it, and this one is the normal beans, what do you call it, beans flour with some soda or bicarbonate. Okay, and this is served with pepper and some shea butter oil. So you can see the pepper and the shea butter oil over here. Okay, so pepper is mixed with the pepper is mixed with salt. So that's simple. Okay, so as I said in my previous video, here they don't use the fried oil and all the other kind of oil. They only use shea butter oil for all the cookings. So all the cookies that I've been trying or you've been seeing is shea butter oil that they use. Yeah. You know. Very nice. The tubani that I tried in Upper West region had beans flour and cassava flour in it, but this is only beans flour. Okay, that's the normal one, and the other one has beans leaves attached to it. But the taste is the same, and the difference is this has only pepper powder with salt and shea butter oil. Okay, yeah, so that is different from the Upper West and the Upper East, but the taste is the same. Huh? Yeah. Huh? Okay. Wow. I'm done with the tubani. As you can see, the pot is empty now. Mackerel is simple. Well, guy, tubani, very nice. If today's your first time watching, subscribe to the YouTube channel and let's meet again. Still discovering food for shizzle. One.